Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about a major event in the crypto industry. BitMart, one of the popular cryptocurrency exchanges used by millions of people around the world, has announced that it is stopping its exchange operations. This news has raised many questions. Why is BitMart closing? Is there a problem with user funds? What should BitMart users do now? In this video, we will explain everything you need to know. BitMart announced that it will begin an orderly shutdown of its exchange services. According to the announcement, the company is ending operations after reviewing its current operating conditions, the crypto market environment, and its future strategy. The shutdown is happening in phases. During this process, services such as registrations, deposits, and trading activities are being affected according to the announced schedule. For anyone who still has cryptocurrency on BitMart, the most important action is to check your account and make sure you understand the withdrawal process and deadlines. Do not wait until the final moment, because during large shutdown events, withdrawal requests can increase and delays may happen. Now, the biggest question is, why? BitMart has not announced one specific reason, such as a hack or bankruptcy. The company has mainly mentioned operating conditions, the market environment, and strategic decisions. However, looking at the crypto industry, there are several possible factors that may have made operations more difficult. First, competition between crypto exchanges has become extremely intense. Large exchanges with huge user bases and strong liquidity continue to dominate the market. Smaller and medium-sized exchanges often struggle to compete with lower fees, marketing costs, security requirements, and global expansion. Second, the cryptocurrency market goes through cycles. When trading activity decreases, exchanges usually earn less revenue because a large part of their income comes from trading fees. Third, regulations around cryptocurrency exchanges have become more demanding worldwide. Exchanges must invest heavily in compliance, licensing, security systems, and customer protection. Running a global crypto exchange is expensive, and not every platform can maintain operations forever. But it is important to understand this. There is currently no official confirmation that BitMart closed because of a hack, stolen funds, or bankruptcy. Users should rely on official announcements rather than rumors circulating online. If you have funds on BitMart, here are some important steps. First, log into your account and check your available assets. Second, withdraw your cryptocurrency to a wallet or another trusted exchange before the final deadlines. Third, always double-check wallet addresses and networks before sending funds. For example, sending USDT through the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. Also, be careful of scammers. Whenever a major exchange has problems, scammers create fake websites, fake support accounts, and fake withdrawal services. Only use official BitMart communication channels. The BitMart shutdown is another reminder that cryptocurrency exchanges are businesses, and even well-known platforms can change their future plans. Crypto users should remember an important rule. An exchange is a place for trading, not always the safest place for long-term storage. Always manage your risk, secure your assets, and stay updated with official information. What do you think about BitMart shutting down? Do you think more exchanges could face similar challenges in the future? Leave your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more news and updates.